Hi, I'm Julian Spector. I'm a clean energy reporter working for Canary Media. Anything that's got to do with reducing carbon emissions and carrying out the transition to clean energy. Ooh, well, I've been, covering the way that clean energy, like batteries and solar and wind, is competing with fossil fuel plants, and there've been a bunch of storylines where they're actually way more competitive in the marketplace than a lot of people think. So I think that's an important thing to be aware of. Electric buses are going to come fast. That's a prediction. I think a few more years we'll have some interesting longer duration technologies that can, store power and deliver it for hours and days more than what the batteries do, but it's slightly farther off. Okay, well, I think it's important that the solar events get back to Las Vegas. There's a certain grandeur there and this kind of testament to achieving bold goals that is what the industry needs. We don't, Anaheim has been happening a bit lately, and it's just a bunch of hotels for people going to Disneyland. So not as great in my book. Ooh, overhyped. Well, now that there's a lot of clean energy companies going public via the SPAC route, I'd say, not all technologies are created equal, and some of those deserve a little more scrutiny, and stay tuned to Canary Media to find out. I taught myself how to mix tiki drinks, where you need some kind of obscure rums and orgeat, which is like almond syrup and passion fruit syrup. It's a lot of things mixed in, but very transportive. It's like a tropical vacation in a cup.